Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Vedant, and as you have seen this car, I have done a review of it. Now I'm going to say what is build quality. Now many people get confused that you should just do a hand like this, and if there is a strong noise from that steel, then it has a strong build quality, or you should shut the door tightly, and if a proper thug sound comes, then it's a proper build quality car. But no, it's not like that. In build quality also there are lots of categories. First of all, आप जो ये करते हैं ना, ठोकते हो और चेक करते हो, that's not a right way actually. Build quality means indirectly ना, you should always keep in mind that build quality is not that steel. Build quality is inside it. Build quality means ना, it's the proper chassis means build quality. Build quality is not just the upper sheet. What you do not thug, it's the sheet quality of this car. Though the sheet quality is also very important for the car's strengthening, but it's not a part of build quality. Okay, and many people do know that the front bumper na, in all car, every car, even if you take a Mercedes na, the front bumper will be of plastic. So many people think that it's just a cost cutting price, though it's not of a cost cutting, but it is because of pedestrian safety norms. If someone comes in front of your car and you crashes, and if he crashes straight away to your bumper, it will not get hurt because of that plastic bumper. If there will be a steel bumper over there, he will get injured badly. Now what are the things which comes in build quality? First, chassis. Then comes the sheet quality. Then comes the insulation. Because insulation is also a thing which you should keep in mind if we are taking a criticize of build quality. Now I have done a detailed review of this car. Links are given in the descriptions. So many people also think that Maruti Suzuki does not have a proper build quality. And yes, it's truth. Because Maruti Suzuki, what formula does it use? It just uses plastic they just use this they uses simple steel quality, not that hard. As you can see, it's not at all simple steel quality it is. And Maruti also tell that they are high strength steel, but it's not like that. In chassis they have used high strength steel, but overall there is a simple sheet quality. Because of that, Maruti car fails in the crash test. And what are the plus point of Maruti Suzuki? Many people knows the mileage, the performance, the easy to use characteristics of this car. And another main thing is that it's easy to twirl characteristics in city. Now why does Maruti Suzuki car only gives great amount of mileage? It's because of its lightweight. Fun fact about car of Maruti Suzuki, take example of Baleno. Maruti Suzuki Baleno's curb weight is 1200 kilos, and its other rival, the i20, Hyundai i20's curb weight is 1400 kilos. Means Baleno is whole whooping 200 kilos lighter. Why? Because of thin amount of plastic quality. You could see Maruti cars always compromise for the plastic quality to give better mileage and performance. So that's what the secret formula of Maruti Suzuki cars success is. So thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, you could give it a like. If you don't like it, you could give it a dislike. Stay home, stay safe.